right, so we are just frying up some tomato slices in our olive oil, and we're gonna give these a nice little flip super quick so that they can get fried up on both sides. Now I'm coming in with my 5 eggs that I scrambled, and we're pulling that right on top of those tomatoes. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I'm instantly gonna add some chopped parsley to this, and we did kind of turn down our heat a little bit because we want to make sure that we get all this nicely cooked. Oh my, this is gonna be delicious. We're gonna go ahead and season this with some garlic powder. Now I'm just seasoning this how I like. You can season it how you like, but this is just gonna be a super easy breakfast that everyone will love. We're gonna add some onion powder. I just think that will go so well with those tomatoes. This is gonna be for about 2 people. It's just a quick little breakfast on the stovetop. Of course, we're gonna add some black pepper. Now, I actually use the avocado olive oil for this, so it is a little bit healthier, and we have those fresh tomato slices, that beautiful parsley. This is gonna be delicious. Last seasoning, of course, we're gonna add some sea salt to this, but if you're worried about the sodium, you can skip it, or you can use a garlic salt if that's what you prefer, but the options for seasonings are endless. Oh, it smells good.
Oh my goodness.
Now we are gonna add some protein. You can keep this vegetarian, but we're gonna add some real bacon bits right in there. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do some dangerous work here to get that more spread out, but that looks pretty good to me. Now, of course, we need some cheese. We have some Swiss and Gruyere shredded cheese, and we are going to sprinkle this on. We're gonna go ahead and turn down that heat a little bit because we just want this to get melty, ooey, gooey, and delicious. You can use whatever cheese you want. You can use a Colby Jack, you can use a cheddar, you can use just Swiss, just Gruyere. Honey wants some cheese, she doesn't care what kind it is. And we are adding this whole bag of cheese right on top of those eggs, those tomatoes, and that bacon. Oh, ho, ho. We are getting that doused in cheese. All right, beautiful. All right, we're gonna put our lid on so that the cheese can get melted and those eggs can cook. All right, time to check out our delicious tomato breakfast. Oh my, that looks insane.
Oh, yum.
All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and transfer our eggy tomato breakfast, our cutting board, best we can. Leave that oil in there. All right, I'm gonna grab a piece. We can kind of just cut right into it. It's kind of like a pizza. Oh, it looks cheesy, greasy, and delicious. Oh my goodness. Breakfast is served.
Is it good?
Those tomatoes actually make it taste like a pizza. You guys will love this.